Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our midweek video update. The euro dollar broke that hourly triangle, broke bearish out of the triangle. We had that retest and this rundown, and it's got quite a bearish momentum going at the moment. It is pulling down into a support zone here, 36 40s, 36 to 36 40s should be an interesting level to watch to see how the daily will close in relation to that area. 36.90 to the daily high so far. 36.94 represents our main resistance at this moment. Now, cable broke bullish out of the channel resistance that we have here, but it has failed to maintain the bullish momentum after the breakout, and so it has, especially when you consider the fact that the weekly closed at a significant resistance, and it's looking more and more bearish now. I'm actually expecting a push lower, perhaps down into that 64.40 level against that upsloping line on the daily. The key levels now in terms of support that it needs to break to confirm that view would be 66.35 here and 66.15. So a daily close below that level would be great to confirm that scenario. On the Australian dollar, we had failure to follow through higher after the bounce off of 89.40 support. It came down and cleared that range support line at 89.60, which now will become the key resistance. Upcoming support is at 88.80 and lower between 88.40 and 50. The New Zealand dollar is at a pivotal level at the moment. We had a push back up into that 4-hour channel resistance line. It's been tested several times. So this time we need to see a complete clearance above 83.60 to confirm potential for it to move higher towards 8400. If it fails to move higher, then a daily close, bearish close on the daily would be great in confirming that. On an intraday basis, some rejection at that level will start to give some initial warning as to what we'll see at the close of the day. So we could put some range resistance and support lines there on the hourly. For the US dollar Canadian bounced back out of the channel, the 4-hour channel here that he had re-breached. So now 1100 is a support to watch for it to hold. But of course, it's significant resistance from where it's at. Currently trading now 1130s all the way up into 1225, 1230. So we could definitely see some consolidation here before it makes its next move. the USD CHF gave us a breakout yesterday as well. We had that little resistance line on the hourly, which it broke. Also took out all these swing highs, the 189.15, and we just saw that pullback here into that level, and now seeing some rejection. So it is important right here to see what will happen. We have a bullish close on the daily, but if you look at that carefully, you will see that it did not in fact close above these resistance wicks. The daily did not close above them. So what it does between 89.20 around that level and 88.90 or 88.95 should give us our direction, say whether or not it'll follow through on this attempt to break out, or whether it will just continue to move back to the downside. We had a close test of that 4-hour resistance line. Didn't quite get there, but then of course it looks like it's a narrowing pattern, so it doesn't necessarily have to go all the way up to the line, which was at 89.40. So again, the zone between 89.20 and 88.95. If it closes below, if we get a 4-hour intraday close below 88.95, we could see a move back down to the lows. Okay, that covers it for today. Thank you for watching as usual, and trade safely.